$1,000 for such a great cause. Let's have a peek. And today's a great day. I am holding in my hand, gentlemen, $2,000 all going to a great cause. Our 3-degree guarantee high. I've got Wacky Zacky from Goettl. I've got John Ponder here from Hope for Prisoners. And, Zach, we got a lot of money here.
Another month where we have the opportunity to give back to the community, and we appreciate what you do.
We are very excited. Please know that we're going to use these funds to further our mission of helping formerly incarcerated people after they paid their debt to society to successfully reintegrate back into the community.
That's awesome.
Right. Thank you so much. That's
right.
great
Yeah,
stuff
such a
there.
great cause.
It is. And, I am so sorry I did miss one day. Otherwise, we've been able to tack on another $300. So, but hey, $2,000's $2,000. And it's all going to a great cause.
And you're only human.
That's
Even
right.
though you just pulled on your super cape and you helped Brian out for a second.
Right.
And speaking of Brian, let's go ahead and turn things out to him. Brian, we know you had to be respectful